Now it's a wonderful question on ionic equilibrium. Let's see what the question is. Question says that a solution of weak acid HA was titrated against base NaOH. So this is a weak acid and NaOH is a strong base. The equivalent point was reached when 40 ml of 0.1 molar NaOH has been added. Now what happens at equivalence point? Number of moles of acid should be equal to number of moles of base. That is 40 into 0.1, 4 millimoles. So we had added 4 millimoles of HA and we had added 4 millimoles of NaOH when equivalence point was reached. And we know from the stoichiometry 1 mole of HA reacts with 1 mole of NaOH. So the amount of this salt which is formed is also of the same amount. So if we had used 4 millimoles, so we had 4 millimoles of NaA salt being formed when the equivalence point was reached. Then further what we do is, now 20 ml of 0.1 molar HCl was added to the titrated solution. Now what happens? This salt starts reacting with a strong acid to give us NaCl and HA. So we had put what? We had already had 4 millimoles of NaA from stage 1. Now we are adding 20 ml of 0.1 molar HCl. So millimoles is 20 into 0.1 is 2. So when this reaction happens, out of 4 millimoles of NaA, 2 are lost in the reaction. So we have 2 millimoles of NaA and 2 millimoles of HA being formed. NaCl is a salt of strong acid and strong base. And therefore it is not going to hydrolyze and therefore not contributing towards pH change. So we can neglect this. So we can see it's a case of a buffer. Why? Because we have a weak acid and its salt. And they both are in equal proportion because millimoles of HA and millimoles of NaA are equal. So we use the Henderson-Hasselbalch equation, which is pH is equal to pKa plus log salt upon acid. Since they are same, they can be cancelled. So pH is equal to pKa, which is equal to 5. So at this point we have got what? We have got the value of pKa of weak acid HA, and that is equal to 5. And lastly they ask, what will be the pH of a solution obtained by mixing 20 ml of 0.2 molar NaOH and 20 ml of 0.2 molar HA. So if you put equal amount of NaOH and HA, we get only salt. In the solution we have only salt. So we'll use the formula for salt hydrolysis. That is pH is equal to 1 by 2 pKw plus pKa plus log C. pKw we know is 14 at 25 degrees centigrade. pKa we got from the second data, that is equal to 5. What about the concentration? Because we are adding 20 ml of NaOH and we are adding 20 ml of HA. So we can say the total volume is 40 ml, and since 2 millimoles of NaOH, this is 4 millimoles of NaOH is reacting with 4 millimoles of HA. Therefore, salt formed will also be 4 millimole. Therefore, concentration of NaA, which comes in C, that will be 4 millimoles total upon total volume is 20 of NaOH and 20 of HA. So it comes out to be 0.1. Log C, so put C is equal to 0.1. On solving, we get answer as 9. So for this question, we can say answer is B.